Hi guys, welcome to DIY Electronics. Anil again. In this video, I will demonstrate my latest build amplifier, a 25 watt rated STK4141 IC based amplifier. For this build, I used 1313 cabinet. It has sufficient space to fit all my boards. For this build, I used KMS BT board and RedSolrex IC DTS board for bass and treble adjustment. KMS BT board based on 2 transistors with mid control, but my customer requirement is low mids with extra bass function, so I choose RedSolrex DTS board to suppress the mids too low. RedSolrex DTS board based on op amps. It's a very good frequency. The output sound is very good to hear, so I choose these boards to build this amplifier. I use a 6-pin connector for the power supply and speaker output. For internal signaling system, I used AWG 26 gauge pure copper cables which are imported. If you like my build, please give a like to my video. If you like very much, leave a comment, or if you want to buy this or any suggestions or anything, please leave a comment in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Meet with you in another video. Thanks. Have a great day.